Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the Q&A session 7 from the playlist of JEE Main Physics, Part 1. The topic is the percentage error, and based on this topic, I have selected one question for this session, which is written here on this board. And this question was asked in the AIEEE exam in the year 2004. And this exam is equivalent to the IIT JEE Main exam. So the question here is a wire of length L, which is equal to 6 plus minus 0.06 centimeter, and radius, which is equal to 0.5 plus minus 0.005 centimeter, has a mass M, which is equal to 0.3 plus minus 0.003 gram. And in this question, we have to find the maximum percentage error in the measurement of the density of this wire. So the density, as we all know, is equal to, say the density here is D. So this will be equal to mass upon volume. So the mass here is equal to M. Volume will be equal to the area of cross section multiplied by the length of the wire. So the area of the cross section will be equal to pi r square into L, where L is the length of the wire. So the maximum percentage error, will be equal to delta D upon D into 100. This is the maximum percentage error which we have to find. So in order to find the maximum, this is the maximum percentage error. So in order to find this maximum percentage error, we have to find the value of delta D upon D, which is the relative error. And from this formula, delta D upon D will be equal to delta M upon M plus, here this is R square, so this will be equal to 2 delta R by R plus delta L by L. Here pi is a constant, so this is not to be considered in the calculation of this relative error. Now from this equation, delta D upon D will be equal to delta M by N. Now here in this equation, that is M is equal to 0.3 plus minus 0.003 gram. Here this value, that is 0.003, is the absolute error in the measurement of mass, and this is the true value of the mass, and this is the measured value. So here delta M is the absolute error, delta L is also the absolute error. So in this case it is equal to 0.06 centimeter, and delta R is the absolute error in the measurement of radius, which is equal to 0.005 centimeter. So delta M will be equal to 0.003 divided by M. So here M is the true value, which is equal to 0.3, and plus 2 times delta R is equal to 0.005 divided by R, which is equal to 0.5, plus delta L is equal to 0.06 divided by the value of L, that is equal to 6. So here delta M, delta R and delta L, these are the absolute error, and here M, R and L, these are the true values. So from here delta D upon D will be equal to delta D upon D into 100. This will be equal to that, this entire equation will be multiplied by 100 on both the sides. So this will be equal to 0.3 upon 0.3 and here this will be equal to plus 2 times into 0.5 divided by 0.5 plus this will be equal to 6 upon 6. So this is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 1. So this is equal to 4%. So the maximum percentage error in the measurement of density will be equal to 4, because delta D upon D into 100 is the maximum percentage error in the measurement of density of this wire. So this is equal to 4%. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session, I will be again coming up with a different question, either from the AIEEE exam or from the IIT JEE main examination of the previous years. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.